Hey guys, it's Ian from AMZ Product Launcher. I hope you're all keeping well. Now we just want to give you some exciting updates with a couple of our programs, and really the updates are to benefit you. One of the big things is listing more products. It's how you generate more income. So what we're doing on our Platinum and our Diamond programs now is that our team have thoroughly done the research for you already. So we know these products are hot, profitable products. We've done the research. Also the suppliers, we've organised the suppliers for you as well. Now some products we can list in Australia, other products we can list in other marketplaces as well. This comes with unlimited coaching for 2 years, and we'd love to help you take your business from here to here. Now around this video is a link. We'd love to have a chat with you. Look forward to speaking with you soon.
I want to introduce you to an intimate one-on-one coaching program. I want to introduce you to an opportunity for us to launch your first product. Doesn't it make sense to you to use the experience, the expertise, and the expert skills our team have in listing your first product on Amazon? Would you build your own dream house? Or would you get builders to build it for you? That's who we are. We don't build houses, we build Amazon product listings. In fact, the team members who'll be working on your product listing have listed thousands of products, and you'll be harnessing their skills and experience and expertise in listing your product on Amazon. This program comes with additional coaching, one-on-one training, Wednesday live coaching, bonus events, plus we list your first product on Amazon. We do the images, the headline, the copy, the bullet points, the keyword research, and we launch this on Amazon for you. Imagine getting instant feedback from our expert coaches on your product ideas. If you're wanting speed in this Amazon business, if you're wanting a group of professionals who build Amazon product listings day in, day out, then let's get started today, and I'll see you at the top.